says I earned my rest, but these old hands don't know it yet. There's steel on the bench and wood to plane. Another good idea rolling through my brain. A welder sparks where memories hide. Every scar's got a story welded inside. I never measured life by the money I'd made, just by what was left when the dust all laid. Some men count dollars, some count years. I count projects, friends, and worn out gear. When I'm gone, leave the shop light on. Let it shine until the break of dawn. Hang my apron where it always was, covered in steel dust, paint and love. Don't remember me for what I owned. Remember all the broken things I brought back home. If these hands taught anything before they part, build something worth leaving in somebody's heart. I've watched young hands strike their first arc, seen confidence grow from a single spark. You don't just teach someone how to weld, you teach them they can build the world themselves. An old lathe hums like an old friend's song. Neither one of us is finished for long. Every scratch on every tool I own reminds me no good work stands alone. One day another man will grab that vise, wonder why it closes smooth and tight. He'll never know the hours it took to see a tool that still works like it should. Maybe that's enough. When I'm gone, leave the shop light on. Open that old door and carry on. Fix your neighbor's gate, help a kid who wants to learn. Share the lessons every hard mile earned. 'Cause a man ain't measured by the things he keeps, but by the lives he quietly helps complete. And if somebody smiles because I played a part, then I built more than steel. I built a place inside their heart. So don't carve my name in polished stone. Just keep building after I'm gone. And if you hear a grinder singing in the dark, that's just another old maker, leaving one more spark.